Hello guys, so it's me Rapi Samstil, and today's vlog we have the new wireless microphone, this time from Godox. Again guys, yeah, before we have from Samramonic, we have the new Holyland Lark M2S. I love Holyland Lark M2S. And now guys, we have again a new small wireless microphone from Godox. We have here the Godox Cube SC. Yan. So, Godox Cube SC, Kit 2. We have Kit 2. We have the black, white. We have Cube SL. SC, I think USB-C. That's why USB-C. SL for lightning. So, again, in SC, you have black and white color. For SL, which is for lightning, we have only white color. So, again, let's unbox, check the quality of this new Godox Cube SC or Godox Cube. Let's say Godox Cube. Yeah. Because SC is stand for I think USB-C and SL for lightning. So, and guys, but again, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, if you like this kind of content, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video, tutorial, and comparison. So without further ado, let's start unbox. So, I think I'm gonna unbox the black one because we have iPhone 15 USB-C. So, let's try the USB-C. Again, this is the SC. Okay. So, you have here at the side, you have two mic, auto transmitter, and the USB-C. Okay. When you open, you have a scanning code. So, you can scan. And I think software or something. When you scan, let's try to scan what is inside. When you scan, godox.net. So yeah, okay, you have similar with the Holyland guys. You have some icons, so sticker. Okay, Holyland Lark M2, sorry. So this is the soft bag of the Godox. Yeah. Okay. So from up, you have USB-C to USB. I think this is a magnetic necklace. This is the microphone itself, guys. The case. It's too small. That's why. Oh, push. Ta-da! It's nice because it's like your lipstick. Push. One push and push, and USB-C for charging. And this is your USB-C. It's too small, guys. And a magnetic. It's almost same size with the Holyland Lark M2. Yan. Let's compare this in Holyland Lark M2. So this is the Godox, and it's too tiny. And here you have magnetic clip. You have two magnetic clip and the dead cat. And you have also here for SIM card or what? This pin maybe for reset something. Yeah. So guys, let's try the new Godox Cube. So guys, I have the Godox Cube. Yeah, we are testing now the Godox Cube. And this is the sound quality of the Godox Cube. I'm using with the iPhone 15 Pro Max with the USB-C. So again, this is the sound quality of the Godox Cube. So again guys, if you want to check the price and availability, actually it's already in our in stock in our showroom. So if you want to check the price and availability, you can visit us here in Megastore showroom or check to our website www.abworld.com. So for the last time guys, this is the sound quality of the Godox Cube. I will not do any adjustment. Whatever you hear is direct from the Godox Cube. So yan guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. This is the Godox, the transmitter. So I have one more here but I didn't use. This is the size guys of the case. So I love the idea of the case. It's too small. So yeah guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, for the last time, this is the sound quality of the Godox Cube. Yan. So yan, I think that's it for the first test of this new Godox Cube. If you want to check the price and availability again, visit our website www.abworld.com. So yan guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.